Hello everybody, it's Kendall coming to you from the Iowa Valley Community College. Today we're going to be talking about stocks and what you can do to make them look as good as possible for as long as possible. So right here, I've got one of my personal projects. It is a stock single shot shotgun. And what I've done is I've restored it. I took the old layer of paste wax, whatever you want to call it, off, and just done a couple coats of True Oil. Now, True Oil is just a little finish that you just rub on with your hands. It's perfect for it, seals it, and it gives you a nice shine. If you want a little bit more shine, you can also use this Johnson's paste wax or any kind of paste wax to give it a better sheen and more protection. All right, everyone, that's all I've got for you today. Make sure to join us next time with Will and Riley, where they talk about glass bedding your rifle stocks.